Have you ever dreamed of a place with giant mountains and water so blue it looks like a painting? That place is real. Norway. It's a land of magic and wonder, where every day feels like a grand adventure. Imagine setting off with a trusty friend, bags packed, heading north to a country where nature tells the most amazing stories. The air is fresh, the trees stand tall, and the journey itself is a show. By boat along the coast or train through deep valleys. 1 minute, green fields. The next, cliffs rising from the water. It's like watching a film, but it's all real. Norway is full of surprises, each more splendid than the last. When you arrive, the beauty is astonishing. More than just scenery. It's a feeling of being somewhere truly special. The peaceful quiet is broken only by waterfalls or birdsong. You might just want to sit on a patch of moss and take it all in. It's not a place to rush. Breathe deeply and let your worries float away. This land has a special kind of magic sunlight dancing on water, mist over mountains. It makes you feel small in the best way, reminding you the world is big and beautiful. So let's explore this magical land together. Crystal lakes, mighty fjords, and endless adventure. Norway is waiting. Boots on. Let's go. Norway's lakes are like giant liquid jewels scattered across the land. The water is so clear you can see right to the bottom, smooth, colorful stones resting on the lake bed. Shades of blue and green you never knew existed shimmer in the sunlight. Some lakes are deep sapphire, others a bright turquoise, like a giant spilled a paint box. Dip your hand in. It's icy cold, fresh from melting glaciers. Sit by the edge and watch the world reflected. Mountains, trees, clouds, creating a perfect wobbly picture. These lakes are peaceful places, perfect for a picnic or a quiet moment. The only sounds, gentle water lapping, a buzzing bee. Sometimes a little wooden boat floats by, someone fishing or just enjoying the quiet. The lakes are the calm, gentle heart of Norway's wild landscape. They remind us that even among giant mountains, there's always a place for quiet beauty and reflection. Now, about those fjords, a funny word for something truly spectacular. Imagine a long, narrow arm of the sea stretching deep into the land, flanked by towering cliffs. These cliffs, carved by ancient glaciers, rise like giant walls from deep blue water. Waterfalls cascade down, echoing through the natural corridor. Floating in a fjord, you feel tiny beneath the towering rock. The fjords are Norway's superstars, unique, breathtaking, unforgettable. A slow boat trip lets you take in every detail. Tiny farms clinging to green patches, seals popping up, sea eagles soaring above. The fjords are alive, full of stories and wildlife. They're a reminder of nature's power, how ice and time create wonders. Truly, one of the world's great natural marvels. Surrounded by lakes and fjords, you're filled with wonder, a feeling hard to put into words. It's like being a child again, seeing something for the first time. The scale and beauty leave you speechless. In Norway's nature, the world's noise melts away, replaced by calm and peace. You notice the little things, moss on rocks, shapes of clouds, your own footsteps on a forest path. Here, you feel connected to the landscape, not just a visitor. This wonder and peace stay with you long after you leave. Close your eyes, and you can remember the cool air, the sunset over a fjord, memories to treasure. Norway's magic is a bit you can take home. Let's visit some of Norway's most famous places. Geiranger Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stuns with steep sides and spectacular waterfalls like the Seven Sisters and the Suter. Lovatnet, a lake glowing turquoise from glacial clay, looks straight out of a fairy tale. Sogne Fjord, the king of fjords, stretches over 200 kilometers inland, with branches leading to charming villages and wild nature. These spots are postcard perfect, but Norway's beauty is everywhere. Sometimes the most breathtaking view is just around a quiet bend in the road. The whole country is a giant nature park. Explore, and you'll find your own special spot for a cup of tea and reflection. Norway's magic changes with the seasons. In summer, the days are long. Sometimes the sun never sets. Everything is green, alive, and bursting with energy. In winter, Norway transforms into a snowy wonderland. Lakes freeze, mountains sparkle, and the silence deepens. The northern lights, curtains of green, pink, and purple, dance across the sky, a free light show from nature. Each season brings its own adventures, hiking and kayaking in summer, skiing and snowmen in winter. Norway is never the same place twice, always changing, always beautiful. As our grand tour ends, we've seen Norway's crystal lakes, mighty fjords, and wild beauty. Nature is the star here, filling you with wonder and peace. This magic is precious, a treasure for the whole world. These landscapes, shaped by ice and time, remind us of our planet's power and beauty. It's up to us to protect them, keep the water clean, the forests healthy, and the magic alive for generations. Visiting Norway inspires you to care for nature, to be a better steward of our world. If you get the chance, go, see the blue water, the tall mountains, the quiet lakes, and the giant fjords. Norway is a real-life storybook, waiting for your own adventure to...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free. But it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free. But it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.